Hey Ryan. Okay, so you had the crystal changed and now the buttons don't work. I believe that is how you laid it out for me. So let's see what we've got going on here. I forgot how beautiful this watch is. So unfaded and gorgeous. The orange and the gold. A really nice watch. Oh, the back was barely on. Tell you that for nothing. Where is it? Yes. Yeah, he put the ring spring in wrong. Well, it's the first thing I see, but that's definitely not good. The part of the movement ring spring is missing. Where is it? There's a section of it. It's supposed to be right here. Where the heck is it? Where's your button spring? Would you get out of there? Come out, out. What in the heck is going on here? Why are these so goopy? What's up with that? Okay, so we're missing a ring spring. Your movement ring is now missing a section for some reason. That's pretty trippy. Okay, your button definitely does reset. Let's see if that keeps us dead center. Yes, it does. Okay. I don't see, what is all this goop stuff that's in here? Where's the rest of that spring? I don't see it in here. Okay, so I don't know why one of your springs is missing, but it is. So I'm gonna have to come up with a button spring for you and a new movement ring spring, and then I'll test from there. Okay, I have an intact movement ring spring for you. You can see the amount of it that is missing. I'm at a complete loss to explain that, unless the spring was exchanged for another one. Don't want to cast aspersions, but I don't know where this other part went. This is your old button spring. It's a little warped. Here, no wait, this is your old button spring. It's a little warped. This is the genuine Seiko new one that I'm going to put in. I don't know what all this goo is all over the buttons, but let's put it together. Sorry, I'm off camera for a second. I'll talk so you can hear the sound of my voice. Okay, there's that. Whoops, come here. Come here, spring. Oh, whoops, backwards. I don't like the fact that this spring is warped. I mean, it'll work fine. And there she blows. One, two, three, four clicks in. This is a nice bracelet, dude. This is a JB Champion. Is this modern? I didn't think JB Champion still existed. There that is. And there we go. Nice, beautiful watch. Just like nothing. Okay, so here's your old movement ring spring. I don't know where the rest of it is, but so you got a new button spring and this, and she's operational.